Hallo Freunde, wie geht es euch? Ich hoffe, es geht euch gut. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to learn the numbers from 20 to 100,000. Die Zahlen von 20 bis 100,000. Sounds a lot and scary, but it is not. We are going to simplify it. And for this video, I will have to go somewhere in the side because this background is not sufficient to share so much of information. So without wasting any further time, auf geht's. Let's go. Zuerst lernen wir die Zahlen von 20 bis 100. Firstly, we will learn the numbers from 20 to 100. For that, just have a quick look at this. Die Zahlen von 1 bis 20. We have already done this in my earlier video. Right now, you can just pause this video and have a quick look at this. So this is 20. And before we move on to the numbers after 20, I would first like to show you the numbers in tens. We have already done 10, 20, then comes 30. Okay, 30. This has SZ here. It is not ending with ZIG. This has SZ. And I'm not explaining the meaning of these numbers because the numbers are just right there. 40, 50, 60. You see, 6, that is number 6, has S in it, but 60 does not have that. 70. Again, 7, that is number 7, has EN in the end, but 70 does not have that. 80, 90, 100 or simply 100. How we say in English? We say 100 or simply 100. Alright? Now let's move on. Let's take this number here. In English, it is very straightforward. It is 20 and 1, which means 21. But in German, it's reverse. In German, we take the units place number first and then tens place number for the 2-digit numbers. All right. So we will have to take eins first, right? Eins is here. And then we will take 20, which is here. So it will be ein und 20. Ein is for eins. Just note that there is no S here. We do not add S here. Und is and 20 is 20. It is here. So ein und 20. And you are supposed to write this whole number in words continuously. You are not supposed to put any spaces. I have added spaces here so that it will become easy for you to understand in the beginning. All right. So we take units place number first and then tens place number. Let's take one more number here. Again, by rule, we will take units place number, that is 7, right? 7 is here. Then tens place number is 30. Here is 30. So it will be 7 und 30. Und is and it is connecting these two numbers together. Okay, so 7 und 30. Let's take one more number here. What is that units place? 3, right? 3 is here. Und, we need und as a connector. 40. 40 is at tens place. 40 is here. So it will be 43. Now let's take one more number and you all can try making it. So what do we have at units place? Correct, 8. 8 is here. 8. All right. And at tens place we have 60. 60 is here. So it is 68. In case if you are writing Goethe certificate examinations, then there will be Hörenteilen in it, which is the hearing section of the examination. And there will be some question related to numbers, be it someone's phone number or postal code or something, and you are supposed to note down the correct number and answer accordingly. In case if you hear two-digit numbers, for an example, in the audio they are saying two-digit numbers. For an example, if you hear this number, okay, the moment you hear, now this is acht und sechzig, right? So the moment you hear acht, you start writing acht. And the moment you hear sechzig, you note sechs before acht. In case if you wait for the whole number to complete and then note down the number, then your concentration would be disturbed. Like you won't be paying attention to the upcoming information which could be important to answer that particular question. So this is just my suggestion. You may develop your own tricks for the examination. All right. Now let's move on. Die Zahlen von 100 bis 1000, the numbers from 100 to 1000. We have already done 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 und 1000 or simply 1000. Now let's take this number for an example. This is a three-digit number over here. Okay, so this is very straightforward in English. It is 121. So we have 100 here. And for a quick understanding, let's just split this. What is this? This is 100, then 21. So it is 100. All right, 100 is here. And for the last two digits, what we do? We take the units place number first and then the tens place number, right? We have just done this. So it is 121. So this whole number is continuous when you are writing it in word. Okay, so it is 100, which is here. 21 is here or here. All right. So this complete word looks very big and scary, but you just have to split and say. It is not very difficult. So it is 100, 21. Let's take one more number here. So we already have 200. And for the last two digits, what we are going to do? We will take the units place number first and then the tens place number, right? Which is what we have just learned. So it will be 200, right? 200, 9 und 30. See, 200 is here, 9 und 30. 9 und 30. Okay? Let's take one more number. This is 700. Correct? 700 is here. And what is this? This is 13. 13 is 13, right? So 700, 13. For the three-digit numbers, we will take the 100 place first. We will take the hundreds place first and then the units place and tens place, which is the rule of the two-digit numbers, the last two digits. Okay? For beginners level, it is good enough to know the numbers till hundreds, but as it is we are learning, so I would like to go beyond that. Die Zahlen von 1000 bis 100.000, the numbers from 1000 to 100,000. So we have already done 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000 und 10,000. 10,000 is 10,000. Then you can go ahead, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000 and so on. Then you will reach 20,000. Then 21,000, 22,000 and so on. And eventually you will reach 100,000 or simply 100,000. After 100,000, there is eine Million. Eine Million is 1 million. If it is 2 millions, then it is 2 Millionen. Millionen is plural of million. It means millions. So 2 Millionen, 3 Millionen, 4 Millionen and so on. Then you will reach eine Milliarde. Milliarde means 1 billion. Okay. Now let's take this number for an example and how will we write this in words. So it is 2000, right? 2000 is here. 300, 300 we have already learned in the earlier slide. Then for the last two digits, it is again units place will be first and then the tens place. So it is 2345. Okay, so let me just split this for you. 5000 is here, here. 300 we have already learned, 300 is here. And for the last two digits, we have 45, which is 45. And this whole number is absolutely continuous. And it does look very, very big. But when you see such a number, then you just first see what that thing is. And you then split it and say, it won't be difficult at all. So it is 5300, right? 45. For the 4-digit numbers, the rule is quite in flow. You will say the thousands place number first, then the hundreds place number. Then for the last two digits, what is it? Correct. Units place will be first and then the tens place number. All right. Now it's time for the house of cargo. The task for you all is to read 4 to 5 vehicle number plates in German. Generally, vehicle numbers are 3-digit or 4-digit numbers, so you can practice them in single digit, double digit, hundreds or thousands. And if you have any doubts, then please leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you ASAP. Dankeschön. Tschüss.